Hi guys, today I will show you how to change the lock on the driver's door. Since this car will been stolen, this lock is broken completely, so we need to replace it with a new one, and then we need to install the handle. The handle missing as well, so they took it all. So you can buy another new lock at a dealership, as well as a handle and the lock cover, which is go right here in a corner. So, and you need to pre-paint it as well, because when you buy it at the dealer, it will come with the gray color. So you need to paint it or buy a used one in the same color if you got enough luck to find to match the color, of course. So it's really easy. You don't need any specific tools for it, so it will be very simple. It's just socket number 10 and some tiny screw. So let's begin. So when you open the door, you will find the little rubber here. When you take off the rubber, you can find the little screw. That screw holding the lock. So just use the socket number 10 and unscrew it for a little bit. Don't take it all the way out, and the lock will come out easily. As you can see, it's broken, and the front piece is broken too, so you need to make sure that that little piece inside the door it's not there, and just use a little tiny screw to pop it out. All right, let's put the new one there. So first it go handle, front side go on the front hole, all the way, just like that, and then you're putting the inside in the right direction, the lock. That's it. Now just use the socket to tighten it all the way. That's it. Just make sure the lock is working. Set the key, unlock, unlock, unlock. That's good. And then the last piece is the lock cover. So it will be easy to install. Just pull out the handle, and just press it all the way back and release the handle. That's it, guys. And of course I forgot the plastic rubber. Just put it back to cover the hole, and that's it. So it's that simple. You don't need to go pay expensive shops and for expensive parts. I mean, this is like a few $100 and that's it. Maybe $250 with the parts. See you in the next one.